Top 8 Foods to Promote Cellular Regeneration based on Dr. William Li's Research Part 1. Introduction to Cellular Regeneration and Why It Matters. Have you ever wondered how your body repairs itself? Every day, millions of cells in our body are being replaced and regenerated. But the truth is, as we age, our body's ability to regenerate cells slows down. That's where the power of food comes in. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 8 foods that help stimulate and promote cellular regeneration. Let's get started. Introduction. Cellular regeneration is the process by which old, damaged cells are replaced with fresh, healthy ones. This process is essential for maintaining our overall health, repairing tissue, and even slowing down the aging process. As we get older, cellular regeneration naturally declines, making it more important than ever to take care of our cells. Dr. William Li's research. Dr. William Li, a renowned scientist and researcher, has uncovered fascinating insights into how specific foods can stimulate the body's regenerative processes. He emphasizes that certain foods contain compounds that directly support the regeneration of cells, enhance recovery, and improve overall health. In this video, we'll dive into the science behind Dr. Li's findings and explore the best foods to include in your diet. Part 2. Berries, the ultimate antioxidant powerhouse. Introduction to berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries aren't just delicious. They are packed with antioxidants. These tiny fruits are powerhouses for fighting free radicals and oxidative stress, which can damage our cells and slow down their regeneration. Dr. William Li's research. Dr. Li highlights the role of anthocyanins, the antioxidants found in berries, in cellular health. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing cellular damage. By doing so, berries protect the cells from oxidative stress and promote better cell function and regeneration. Other benefits. Berries don't just protect your cells, they also contribute to heart health, improve brain function, and boost the immune system. With so many health benefits packed into such small fruits, it's easy to see why Dr. Li recommends them for cellular regeneration. Part 3. Salmon omega-3 fatty acids for healthy cells. Introduction to salmon. Salmon is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, protecting the heart, and supporting cellular regeneration. These healthy fats are essential for the proper function of cells throughout the body. Dr. William Li's research. According to Dr. Li, omega-3s are vital for maintaining the structural integrity of our cell membranes. They help reduce inflammation, which can otherwise hinder the body's ability to regenerate cells. By including salmon in your diet, you're supporting a healthy environment for cellular regeneration to take place. Other benefits. Salmon also helps improve brain health, supports heart function, and enhances skin health. With its rich omega-3 content, it's no wonder that Dr. Li considers salmon one of the top foods for promoting cellular regeneration. Part 4. Avocados, healthy fats for cell repair. Introduction to avocados. Avocados are known for their creamy texture and rich flavor, but did you know they are also packed with nutrients that promote cellular regeneration? Avocados are full of monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and other essential nutrients that help protect and repair cells. Dr. William Li's research. Dr. Li explains that the healthy fats in avocados help maintain cell membrane integrity, which is critical for the regeneration process. Vitamin E, in particular, acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress and aids in the repair of damaged cells. Other benefits. In addition to supporting cellular health, avocados are also great for heart health, weight management, and skin health. With their anti-inflammatory properties and healthy fats, avocados are a must-have for anyone looking to improve cellular regeneration. Part 5. Green leafy vegetables, nutrient-rich powerhouses. Introduction to green leafy vegetables. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are some of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these vegetables help support cellular regeneration by providing the necessary nutrients to maintain healthy cells. Dr. William Lai's research. Dr. Lai highlights the importance of vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants found in leafy greens. These nutrients play a key role in supporting cellular repair and regeneration. Additionally, the antioxidants in these greens help protect cells from oxidative damage and enhance their ability to regenerate. Other benefits. Green leafy vegetables also help improve digestion, lower blood pressure, and support cardiovascular health. With their high nutrient content, these veggies should be a staple in your diet to promote cellular health. Part 6. Nuts and seeds, essential fatty acids and zinc for healing. Introduction to nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are rich in healthy fats, protein, and essential minerals like zinc. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining healthy cell membranes and supporting the regenerative processes of the body. Dr. William Lai's research. According to Dr. Lai, zinc is essential for cell division and regeneration. It helps the body repair and build new cells, making it a vital nutrient for maintaining healthy tissues. The healthy fats in nuts and seeds also support the integrity of cell membranes, making them an important part of cellular regeneration. Other benefits. Nuts and seeds are also great for heart health, brain function, and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. By including a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet, you can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to regenerate cells efficiently. Part 7. Sweet potatoes, a vitamin-rich root vegetable for cell recovery. Introduction to sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, two nutrients essential for cellular regeneration. These vibrant root vegetables are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Dr. William Lai's research. Dr. Lai emphasizes the role of vitamin A in cellular repair and regeneration. Beta-carotene, found abundantly in sweet potatoes, is converted into vitamin A in the body, which supports the production of new cells and tissue regeneration. The high vitamin C content in sweet potatoes also helps promote collagen production, aiding in skin and connective tissue repair. Other benefits. Sweet potatoes are also rich in fiber, which supports digestive health, and they help stabilize blood sugar levels. They are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet aimed at improving cellular regeneration. Part 8. Green tea, antioxidants for cell protection. Introduction to green tea. Green tea is widely known for its antioxidant properties, particularly due to its high content of polyphenols like catechins. These antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative damage and promote the regeneration of healthy cells. Dr. William Lai's research. Dr. Lai highlights that the catechins in green tea help improve the function of stem cells, which are essential for cellular regeneration. By boosting the body's natural healing process, green tea can accelerate the repair of damaged cells and tissues. Other benefits. Green tea is also great for boosting metabolism, improving brain function, and supporting cardiovascular health. With its powerful antioxidants, it's no surprise that green tea is one of Dr. Lai's top recommendations for promoting cellular regeneration. Part 9. Mushrooms, the immune-boosting regenerative superfood. Introduction to mushrooms. Mushrooms are packed with compounds that support the immune system and promote cellular regeneration. Varieties like shiitake, maitake, and reishi are particularly known for their medicinal properties, which include enhancing cell function and boosting immune health. Dr. William Lai's research. Dr. Lai's research highlights the role of polysaccharides in mushrooms, which help activate immune cells and promote the regeneration of damaged tissues. These compounds help create a supportive environment for cellular regeneration by reducing inflammation and supporting tissue repair. Other benefits. Mushrooms also help regulate blood sugar levels, improve brain health, and have anti-aging properties. By incorporating a variety of mushrooms into your diet, you can support your body's regenerative processes while reaping other health benefits. Part 10. Conclusion and actionable steps for cellular health summary. We've covered 8 powerful foods that promote cellular regeneration, from antioxidants in berries to the healthy fats in salmon and avocados. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet, you can support your body's ability to repair and regenerate itself, leading to better overall health and vitality. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more health tips and research-based advice. Leave a comment below with your favorite food from today's list or any tips you've discovered for boosting cellular regeneration. Thanks for watching, and take care of your cells. They are the foundation of your health.